Welcome to the practice platform of the Kids Smiley Class. Are you ready to practice? Perfect! Get pencil and paper so you can write down all the exercises. Can you solve following exercises? Pause this video until you have solved all the exercises. Are you ready? Are we going to see if you got them right? 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 plus 3 is 3. Good job. 8 minus 1 is 7. 0 plus 5 is 5. Great job. Here are 5 more exercises for you. Do you solve them first yourself? Are you ready? Let's take a look. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Very good. 6 plus 1 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 plus 0 is 7. I knew you could do this. Great job. If you exercise every day, it will become much easier. See you next lesson. Mwah.